Israeli forces shoot Palestinian women in Hebron. Israeli embassy is shut as diplomats strike over pay. Lebanon's own asks government to work in caretaker role. Syrian Constitutional Committee get underway in Geneva. Al-Sadr says Iraq could turn into another Syria. Iran closes border crossing with protest hit Iraq. We believe Russia but cannot trust terrorists, top Turkish envoy. US voted against Turkey to take revenge over Syria. Bosnian court jail ex-soldier over war crimes. French Senate approves controversial headscarf ban bill. Defense ministers meeting held in Azerbaijan. Pakistan opposition set out march toward Islamabad.